Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the project work or the practical part of this urinary system, as well as we are going to discuss about the ADH hormone effect, which is left in last videos. So first, what you are supposed to understand that this is the diagram of urinary system. There are three kind of questions. Number one, draw the diagram of urinary system. Number two, this diagram is given and the very basic question is that identify the different kind of systems present in this diagram. So basically this is a diagram of excretory system or urinary system, but along with the urinary system there are 3-4 other systems also which shows partially or fully. First is excretory system or urinary system, which is very much clear that all of you are aware. The another one is circulatory system. Now how circulatory system is there? This is this one part. Sorry, this is vena cava and this one is renal artery. Vena cava carry blood from this kidney to, देखिए ये किडनी है, किडनी से जो impure blood है, deoxygenated blood goes to renal vein. This part is renal vein and this is vena cava. This vena cava carry blood to the heart. Now this is renal artery, sorry, this is aorta. Aorta divide and form renal artery which carry blood to the kidney and it carry oxygenated blood. This is the very basic difference or very basic mistake which you students are doing. You identify them as renal vein and renal artery. No, this is not renal vein, this is vena cava. The part of vena cava which collect blood from the kidney, this part is called renal vein, this is vena cava. This part is called renal artery and this part is called aorta. So presence of blood vessels are there, that's why this diagram contain a circulatory system also. Now there is endocrine system also, because here we have adrenal gland. This is the adrenal gland. Ad means addition, renal means kidney. The first question which is on adrenal gland is adrenal gland का location क्या है and function क्या है. Adrenal gland is located on the top of each kidney. दोनों किडनी के टॉप पर होता है. Not above the kidney, not near the kidney, not on the kidney, on top of each kidney. That you are supposed to mention each kidney also, because if you are writing that it is present on top of kidney, means you are saying that it is not present on another kidney while it is present on both of the kidneys. So what you are supposed to mention that it is present on top of each kidney. Okay. Now this is the question related with the location. What is the function of adrenal gland? Adrenal gland release 2-3 hormones that we will discuss in next chapter. And adrenal gland release adrenaline hormone, glucocorticoid hormone. It release mineralocorticoid hormone, which helps in metabolism of minerals and glucose, carbohydrates, fats. Okay. So we can say that here we have endocrine system also, because adrenal gland is present. So we have discussed there are 3 organ system. One is urinary system, one is circulatory system, one is endocrine system. In case of male, we have urethra here. Urethra होता है मेल फीमेल दोनों में है, but in case of male, urethra is present which carry urine as well as sperm. यहीं से sperm जाते हैं, यहीं से urine जाता है. तो we can say partially in case of male, here we have male reproductive system also, but in case of female, no reproductive system is present in this diagram. तो एक question इसमें ये आता है हमारा. The another question already I have discussed, what is the difference between renal artery and renal vein. What is the function of ureter? What is the function of bladder? This already we have discussed. Now, what is the location of kidney? Kidney is located in the abdominal region near the lumbar area and it is protected by last two ribs. ये last two ribs से protected है. Okay. Now I am going to discuss, there is one hormone that is called vasopressin hormone, and what is the effect of vasopressin hormone in the urine formation. Now this adrenal gland does not play any role in urine formation. So urine excretion के लिए हमें कुछ चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना है. First, here we have sphincter muscles. There are two kind of sphincter muscle. One is urethral sphincter muscle and one is bladder sphincter muscle. Bladder sphincter muscle is present at the end of bladder, and urethral sphincter muscle is present at the end of urethra. The sphincter muscles regulate the opening and closing of urethra and release of urine from outside the body. The another point is, what is micturition? Micturition क्या है? Micturition is the removal of urine from urethra to outside the body. यूरेथ्रा से बाहर की तरफ जो हम यूरिन को बाहर निकालते हैं, that is called micturition. Another topic is energy requirement of the kidney. Yes, energy requirement of kidney is more. Energy requirement of kidney is more because kidney is the part where ultrafiltration takes place. For ultrafiltration, a huge amount of energy is required. That's why they contain more number of mitochondria. Now, how ADH plays an important role? What is ADH? ADH is antidiuretic hormone. This antidiuretic hormone also known as vasopressin hormone. This vasopressin hormone released from posterior part of pituitary. So there are two questions. One is, what is the location of ADH hormone, or from where the ADH hormone secrete? ADH hormone is secrete from the posterior part of pituitary. Here posterior part is operative word. If you will not write posterior part, you will not mark at all, क्योंकि pituitary के दो parts हैं, three parts हैं rather, anterior pituitary, intermediate pituitary, posterior pituitary, and every part release different kind of hormones. So if you will not mention the name of the hormone or the location of the exact location of pituitary gland, then you will not mark. Now, what is the function of ADH hormone? ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, it helps to absorb water from the urine production. जब यूरिन का प्रोडक्शन होता है, ये उसमें से वाटर को रीअब्सॉर्ब करता है. The entire human being, or we all are very greedy. I mean, we want to absorb single drop of water. जितना भी हमारी बॉडी की ज़रूरत है, हम उतना वाटर रीअब्सॉर्ब करना चाहते हैं. Now, which part helps in reabsorption? ADH, that is hormone, helps in reabsorption of water from urine. Now, in case ADH is secrete less, यदि वो decreases होता है, because of any reason, there are number of reasons. If we consume more alcohol, then also it can affect the ADH secretion. So, different factors are there. If ADH secretion is less, यानी कि ADH कम secrete हो रहा है, means less water will absorb, less water absorption. पानी कम absorb होगा का मतलब है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी किस में निकलेगा? यूरिन में. means more urination. This more urination causes the disease that is called diabetes insipidus. Now, what is diabetes insipidus? Diabetes means irregularity, abnormality. Insipidus means insipidus को हम कहेंगे टेस्टलेस. ऐसा यूरिन जो टेस्टलेस है, जिसके अंदर ग्लूकोज नहीं है, बट जिसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर है. ऐसे पेशेंट को बार बार यूरिन आता है, ठीक है, तो उनके अंदर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ यूरिनेशन इज वेरी मोर। ठीक, फिर से समझिए, ADH हार्मोन दैट इज एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन. एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज vasopressin हार्मोन रिलीज फ्रॉम पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ पिट्यूटरी. इफ ADH सिक्रीशन डिक्रीजेस, कम, इसका काम क्या है? टू एब्जॉर्ब वाटर फ्रॉम यूरिन, यूरिन से वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करना. इफ इट विल डिक्रीज, कम निकल रहा है तो इट विल एब्जॉर्ब लेस वाटर फ्रॉम द किडनी. लेस वाटर का किडनी से का मतलब हुआ मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूरिनेशन. मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूरिनेशन रिजल्ट्स इन डायबिटीज इंसिपिडियस. नाउ हियर इफ इट रिलीज इन मोर क्वांटिटी, यदि ये ज़्यादा रिलीज हो रहा है एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन, तब क्या होगा? सी, एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन इफ रिलीज मोर then it may absorb more amount of water from the kidney. किडनी से ज़्यादा वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, मीन्स बॉडी रिटेन मोर वाटर. बॉडी रिटेन मोर वाटर मीन्स देयर विल बी लेस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूरिन. Could be happy for that कि we have less production of urine? No. Because if we have less production of urine, we are unable to release nitrogenous waste. If you remember, in 9th standard we have discussed that in case of cholera, जो hazard disease होती है, cholera होता है, why it is very risky, why people die in case of cholera. The reason is during cholera a lot of dehydration is there, either in the form of vomiting or in the form of loose motions. बॉडी से बहुत सारा पानी लूज मोशन और वोमिटिंग के फॉर्म में बाहर जा रहा है. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा लूज मोशंस हो रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा वोमिटिंग हो रही है, डिहाइड्रेशन हो रहा है, वी आर अनेबल टू रिलीज यूरिन. हमारे पास उतना यूरिन प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता. एंड इफ यूरिन विल नॉट रिलीज, then we are unable to release nitrogen waste from the body, because other than urine there is no option to release nitrogenous waste, and that nitrogen waste accumulate inside the body, results in death or some kind of suffocation or some other disorders. Okay, so this I have discussed about ADH hormone. Now this already we have discussed ki if ADH secretion is high, then it can also affect your working. So this is also given in your book, hormonal control of urine output. ADH secretion increased, less water will absorbed from the bloodstream and urine production जो है वो, यदि ADH का एब्जॉर्प्शन सिक्रीशन ज़्यादा है तो किडनी से वो ज़्यादा वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, ब्लड से वाटर कम एब्जॉर्ब होगा और जिसकी वजह से यूरिन का प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाएगा. Now there are certain factors which regulate the amount of urine. First is diet and water intake. Diet and water intake. If we take more water, more production of urine will be there. There are certain diet which increase the amount of urine. For example, if you are taking beverages like tea, coffee, यदि आप ये ज़्यादा पी रहे हैं तो आपको यूरिन फॉर्मेशन बढ़ सकता है. जस्ट नोटिस एंड डिस्कस विद योर पेरेंट्स और विद योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. जनरली व्हेन वी आर गोइंग आउट, पीपल डोंट प्रेफर टू टेक टी. मतलब सुना भी होगा, नहीं हम चाय पी कर नहीं जाएंगे, नहीं तो रास्ते में थोड़ा यूरिनेशन का इशू रहेगा. यस, इट कॉजेस यूरिनेशन. ओके, सो डाइट एंड वाटर इनटेक जो है वो हमारे यूरिन प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ा देता है. देयर आर सर्टेन सब्सटेंसेस दैट आर डायूरेटिक इन नेचर, मीन्स दैट कॉज यूरिन फॉर्मेशन लाइक टी, कॉफी, यू कैन राइट. The another one is physical activity. If we have more physical activity, यदि हमारे पास में physical activities ज़्यादा हैं, then also urine production will increase. तब क्या होगा? नहीं, यूरिन प्रोडक्शन नहीं बढ़ेगा. इफ़ वी हैव मोर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, मोर स्वेट विल बी देयर. बहुत पसीना बहेगा एक्सरसाइज के बाद में, और जुम्बा डांस और कोई भी ऐसा कोई आप डांस फॉर्म को फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो, बिकॉज मोर एंड मोर स्वेट प्रोडक्शन इज देयर, तो यूरिन प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, मोर स्वेट, लेस यूरिन. Next is day and night factor. During the daytime, we have more metabolic activities. Arterial pressure is more. So more production during daytime, more urine, and less urine during night. Okay. The another one is environmental condition. Urine output is lowered when outside temperature are high. In summer, urine output is low. Why urine output is low in summer? Because in summer we have lot of sweat production. So most of the water released in the form of sweat. That's why we have, in comparison, urine production is less. If we have a question why we have more production of urine in winter, then you can say that there is less sweat production, and that's why the most of the water is released in the form of urine. But if the question is why it is more in winter than in summer or like this, then you have to give the comparison for both of the season. यूरिन आउटपुट इज रेस्ट व्हेन आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर आर लो. बाहर का टेम्परेचर कम है, ठंड के दिन है, स्वेट का प्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा. वट एवर वाटर इज टू बी रिलीज, that will release in the form of, or whatever the nitrogen waste is to be released, that go along with the water, it will release via urine only. So that time urine production जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. Hormonal control already we have discussed. Some major disorder indicated by abnormal constituent in the urine. Urine में यदि ये कुछ constituent present हैं, then they can cause some kind of एबनॉर्मलिटी, और ये कुछ जो है हमें प्रॉब्लम कॉज कर सकते हैं. वेरी बेसिक, यू माइट हर्ड किडनी स्टोन. व्हाट इज किडनी स्टोन? व्हेन योर किडनी इज हैविंग क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, then it forms a small stone that is called salt deposition हो जाता है, that is called kidney stone. So first is albumin. It indicates an increase in the permeability of the capsular membrane resulting from increased blood pressure. If albumin is there, then it increases the hydrostatic pressure. Disease or irritation of kidney cells by chemical or bacteria toxins. किडनी में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट है, यूटीआई है, यूटीआई इज यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो एल्ब्यूमिन अमाउंट कुड बी रेज्ड. Glucose. If glucose is present in urine, that means the person is suffering from the disease diabetes mellitus. So there are two kind of diabetes. One is diabetes mellitus and one is diabetes insipidus. Diabetes mellitus another one is diabetes insipidus. Diabetes mellitus, diabetes means irregularity, mellitus means meetha. When glucose is there in urine. Diabetes insipidus, insipidus means tasteless, no glucose. Diabetes mellitus due to deficiency of insulin. It is due to deficiency of ADH or antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin hormone. Okay. Erythrocyte. If erythrocyte is RBC, it indicates that there is some infection in kidney or UTI है, urinary tract infection है. If RBC or blood is present in urine, indicate inflammation of the bleeding. कोई inflammation हो सकता है, swelling हो सकती है जहाँ से blood रिस रहा है, and एंटीबायोटिक आपको इसके लिए लेना पड़ेगा. ल्यूकोसाइट इंडिकेट इन्फेक्शन इन द किडनी और इन द पार्ट ऑफ यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट. इफ ल्यूकोसाइट WBC is present in urine, that shows that there is some infection in kidney or the entire tract. Bile pigments, it indicates increased production of bilirubin or bilirubin. Why urine is yellow in color? Urine is yellow in color due to presence of urochrome. यूरोक्रोम इज अ बाइल पिगमेंट जो बाइल पिगमेंट के डिकम्पोजिशन से बनता है. प्लीज नोटिस एंड यू कैन ट्राई दिस एक्टिविटी एट योर होम. इफ वी ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, आपको ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना, आप दिन में 3-4 घंटे के अंदर इस प्रैक्टिस को करके देखिए. टेक 1 glass of water after 45 minutes or 1 hour. After 4-5 times, you will notice that now your urine is exactly transparent like water. It does not have yellowish color. It does not have any urochrome. The reason is more water you are drinking, more cleaning of liver and kidney takes place. Okay. What is the volume? We are producing 1 to 2 liter per day. It varies situation to situation. Summer में, winter में, person की activity पे depend कर सकता है. Color, it is yellowish in color due to presence of pigment urochrome. This is an important question. Its pH is 5 to 8. Its odor very aromatic. Aromatic मतलब बड़ी pungent सी smell होती है due to presence of certain ammonium ions की वजह से. And specific gravity, इट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ फिजिक्स, सो आप इसको यहाँ पे छोड़ सकते हैं अभी हाल फिलहाल. तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड यूरिया, क्रिएटिनिन, यूरिक एसिड, प्रोटीन, ग्लूकोज. बट पढ़ लीजिए यूरिन के अंदर क्या है. यूरिन के अंदर ग्लूकोज नहीं होगा. इफ वी आर आस्किंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन यूरिन, देन राइट डाउन यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड एंड क्रिएटिनिन. ग्लूकोज यू कैन राइट इन प्राइमरी फिल्ट्रेट ओनली. Inorganic compounds, sodium and potassium chlorides, ammonia is there, sulfuric acid is there, water is there. Yes, skin plays an important organ as a excretion because skin helps in removal of sweat और sweat के फॉर्म में water, salts, ions बाहर निकल रहे होते हैं. Last topic, vasodilation and vasoconstriction. इसको समझते हैं क्या है ये. वासोडाइलेशन मीन्स होता है फैलना. ठीक है. इट अकर्स व्हेन आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर इज हाई. समर आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर इज हाई. वासोडाइलेशन डायलेट ब्लड वेसल. दिस डायलेट ब्लड वेसल इंक्रीज ब्लड फ्लो. More sweat, more evaporation, body temperature down. Okay, more sweat means less urine. यूरिन कम निकलेगा. रीड फ्रॉम योर बुक. ब्लड वेसल इन द स्किन आर डायलेटेड, फैल जाती हैं. व्हेन आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर आर हाई, समझ आ गया. ब्लड फ्लो इंक्रीजेस. मोर स्वेट एवापोरेट्स. मोर स्वेट एवापोरेट मीन्स लेस यूरिन. मोर वाटर इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द किडनी टू कंपनसेट फॉर द वाटर लॉस. क्योंकि स्वेट का प्रोडक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा है इसलिए यूरिन का प्रोडक्शन कम है. इसका मतलब यह है कि किडनी से बहुत ज़्यादा पानी बॉडी के अंदर जाएगा टू कंपनसेट द वाटर लॉस. सो बाय दिस द एंटायर वी आर कम अप विद द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Summary of functions of kidney we have already discussed, that it helps in excretion, it helps in osmoregulation, it helps in regulation of pH. Now certain common disorder of urinary system देखते हैं एक नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको कवर करेंगे. Not today because it becomes very hectic. Just look on this diagram once again. This is woman's capsule, this is glomerulus, this one is afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, PCT. These are the secondary capillaries, unite and form renal vein. This part is Henle's loop. Look here how beautifully they have shown exchange of gases or exchange of material through renal vein and through secondary capillaries. So students, a last bit of part is left in this chapter. This I will cover tomorrow. Till then, take care. घर में रहिए, हाथ सैनिटाइज करते रहिए, मास्क लगा के निकलिए जब भी घर से निकलते हैं. And take care of your family members also. Till then, take care. Goodbye.